Today at Mullin Machinery, we have a beautiful Mitsui model 205MH. Serial number 890-52849. It's a 6x18 hand feed surface grinder. Ball bearing ways. Nice Walker permanent magnetic chuck. There's two little marks there and one little nick in the edge, but relatively minor. Nice clean machine. All original paint. We'll replace this front handle that was broken and moving it. But it's, as you can see, the table just glides in these machines. This one is over the wheel dresser. We have the cast iron pads that go under the level screws. This has the hood on the end for your dust collector. Currently wired for low voltage 3-phase. And its spindle is nice and quiet. Barely hear that thing running. There's your over the wheel dresser. I didn't see a diamond in it, but you can add one, it's not a big deal. Automatic oiler. Nice big hand wheels, graduated in tents. Definitely not an abused machine. You can check this one out on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's M-U-L-L-I-N machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs. And when you get a moment, check out our new tooling website, machineshoptooling.com. As we get time, we'll be adding a lot more to that site also. But again, check this out, mullinmachinery.com, M-U-L-L-I-N machinery.com.